Hi, this is a video how to settings APN Pocket Wi-Fi. First turn on your Pocket Wi-Fi, go to Information, Wi-Fi Information, and you can see the SSID and password of Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 2. Take your cell phone or laptop, then connect with Pocket Wi-Fi. Make sure it is connected to Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 3. Open the Safari browser and type this IP address. Caution: before enter the IP address, make sure your Pocket Wi-Fi display is off, then click Top Page, and click to the PC optimized page. Click Advanced Settings top and enter password like this video. Then click Apply. Then click Advanced Settings top again and fill user and password like this video. Step 4. Go to Network Settings, Profile Settings and fill all information like this video. Choose No Setup on Profile List to make new APN profile. Then fill all information like this video. Then click Apply. Go back to Pocket Wi-Fi and turn on it. Then go to Settings, APN Settings. Go back to Main Menu, then go to Settings, Communication Mode, choose High Plus Speed Area WiMAX 2 Plus or LTE and tap Yes. Then go back to Main Menu and wait for the signal to appear automatically and reconnect your cell phone with Pocket Wi-Fi. Don't tap Initialize option because it will reset your Pocket Wi-Fi, and you have to reset the APN settings again from the initial steps in this video.